like that. I know I've been gone for a little minute, but we about to talk about it. Gonna get caught up and we gonna keep the show going, and it's gonna be all good. You know what I'm saying? We about to walk into 2021. First of all, happy December, happy end of 2020. 2020 was on some major bullshit, but I am happy for all the bullshit. I feel like so many of us can relate to this, like all the craziness that happened in 2020. If you had like a rough year, it really was like a part of the process to bring you into a new place of just a new level in your life. At least that's what it was for me. So I hope it was that for other people and you just ain't go through bullshit for no reason. I mean, we never go through bullshit for no reason though. Always keep that in mind. It's always for a purpose. It's always working out for your good, okay? So I'm really happy about the bullshit. I'm not gonna even look at it as like a trash year. It was a bad year, okay? It was bad. It was a struggle, but it was so necessary for me to get to this place that I'm at today. So I'm happy and I'm thankful, and I thank God that my mindset is not how it was not even that long ago. I'm just so glad to be feeling good. So yes, I am good. I know a lot of y'all been asking me. A lot of y'all been DMing me. I know a lot of y'all been commenting on old videos like, are you okay? Like, we ain't seen you in a minute. Yes, I'm good. I have been going through the struggle, y'all, which is why I needed to take a little break, but I am good. First of all, last month my baby girl ended up in the hospital for a few days, which was a whole nightmare in itself. It wasn't COVID, but she ended up in the hospital due to a common cold that turned into bronchiolitis that caused her airway to be blocked to where she couldn't breathe right, and her oxygen was really low. So that was so scary. It was something I wish on no parent, but I'm so glad that it wasn't worse. I'm glad that she's better. And yeah, that was that. I definitely needed a mental break from that, just to, you know, get her better and focus solely on her. But and then this month I just been looking for a place, which has been a whole headache. It has been exhausting to say the least. The reason it's been so hard, I feel like, it's because it's December. Like, ain't nobody moving in December, so it's not really too much available. So with my little list, you know, my list got narrowed down a lot just by it being December, and I just had to find something I liked, and that was close in, you know, in the area to where I'm still by my children's schools. So that has been my struggle this month. That's what I've been focused on, and I'm not gonna beat around the bush with y'all. Yes, I am moving out. Well, I actually got a place. I need to say that. Yes, I got me a place. My move-in date is actually this week. It was a struggle finding it, girl, but she found it. She got it, okay? And my moving date is set for this week. And yeah, like I said, I'm not gonna beat around the bush with y'all. I am moving out, just me and my kids. And that's really sums it up about that. And I'm just moving forward into peace and happiness, positivity, all the things that I need and I deserve, okay? All the things that I pray for is what's happening. Basically, that's it. I really don't want to dive into details about everything because honestly it's pointless, but I'm gonna take y'all on this journey with me, my journey, my new journey that I'm excited about. Honestly, I'm not even like sad or like, I mean, of course, a breakup, like, you go through all of that stuff. It's sad, it's heartbreaking, it's, you know, all of that. But I just feel God carrying me. Like, honestly, I feel so, I don't even know how to explain it, but I just feel so protected. Like, my heart is protected, my spirit, my mind. And God has just given me so much peace through this to where I don't even feel, like, extremely sad. And, like, you know, I feel good. Like, I feel positive and happy about my new journey in the future. So I'm good. Like, I'm really happy, and I'm excited for where I'm going. You know, I just want to take y'all on this journey with me. It's a new journey. It's my journey. I can't even explain how that feels to have, like, me, you know, to fully be me and to have my life sitting in front of me and me going into it and being able to live it. Like, y'all gonna see the journey because I'm taking y'all on this journey with me. I'm gonna keep doing TIERRA TV over here every week, so I'm just ready. I'm excited for it. This week is gonna be crazy. I'm gonna take y'all along with me on this journey too of moving. It's gonna be crazy. I got like a few days to my move-in date, so I need to get, you know, everything packed up. I'm pretty much good on packing. Like I feel like I got like halfway done, but I just need to get Zara back there starting up. She waking up, but I just need to get like some more boxes and a few more things. So I'm gonna take y'all with me. Okay, we's on this new journey. Happiness, healthiness, peace, positivity, all that good stuff. Okay, all right, let's go, because Zara getting mad at me. Palm so bad, and I definitely am for my new apartment. Okay, but I just gotta wait. Like I've been so tempted to buy so many things, but of course you can't be buying stuff while you're in the midst of moving, so I just gotta wait. I gotta be patient, but I'm definitely giving me a Majesty palm. I think these are so pretty. Yeah, my patio gonna be lit. I'm gonna have me a couple of them outdoor, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be real cute. I'm gonna really get into like a little gardening. I'm so excited to do that, y'all. A little patio transformation video I already got in my head is about to be so lit. Cause yes, honey, Christmas. Oh, I'm so sad because I'm not all the way in the Christmas spirit because I ain't got like, you know, nowhere to set nothing up yet. But in due time. Peekaboo. 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 Hey, mama. Hi. Peekaboo. No nose. Peekaboo. Yay. Yay. He's so sweet. Let me just do 3. The 3-pack.
Okay, will that be all for you today?
Yep, that's all.
Okay, so your total is $3.70.
Thank you.
No problem.
There you go.
Hi, 3-pack rice, $3.70. You remember?
No. What is that?
You know, Krispy Kreme have an app.
Okay.
Like Chick-fil-A and other store has. So if you sign up, you get 1 free donut. Each time you purchase anything, you get a point.
Oh.
And when we have any promotion, they just send you coupon on your email.
Okay, I'm about to sign up for that. So I just download the app?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, great. Thank you. Oh, yeah, honey, because I be at Krispy Kreme. I might as well get all my points. Shit. Thank you so much. Have a good one. I can't even say love enough. Like, I really am obsessed with Krispy Kreme donuts. Like, it's a problem. I just don't understand why these donuts is that like this good. Like, it just don't even make no sense. They be just nice and warm and they be so fluffy but crispy at the same time. Tarjay. Okay, nope. Forget Target. Look at my little flip. I'm screaming. That line in Target was doing the Whole Foods, so I ain't got the time. I'm gonna just have to go to a different Target and come in commercials. Hi, good, and you? And I just need to find, this flip is cracking me up. Like, it's cute. It's giving a little it's giving a little look, but I did not flip my hair. Like, how did it get like that? But I need to find Zara a little jacket. Like, I don't know why it's been a struggle in my life just trying to find a jacket. So that's my mission today, is to find this baby here a jacket. Look at her biting on her biting on your little stroller straps. You so silly, girl. I like hanging out with you. You just be chilling. The little girl clothes. I still love that I'm able to shop for a girl now. Like, oh my god, I have too much fun having a girl. But I just cannot find like a jacket like by itself. I only see jackets like with outfits. Oh, Oh, wait a minute. Here go a little jacket. Oh, no, that's a sweater with an outfit. See? I just can't find no cute little jacket. And she needs a jacket. Which one you want, Zara? Tata. You're so cute. You're just so precious. You're such a good baby. He's such a good baby. You like hanging out with mama. Yes, you do. Oh my God, they got some cute stuff. I'm not supposed to be shopping, so let me not even get caught up. Let me try to find a little jacket and go. Look at this though. Oh my God, so cute. Look at this. Oh, I just love overalls. That is adorable. Okay, focus, Tierra. Jacket. Shopping low-key give me anxiety, like, oh Lord, I'm getting hot. Maybe it's just because it's Christmas time. I think maybe it's Christmas mixed with COVID. Like, I just do not like shopping. Like, it was too much going on in that store. I mean, I couldn't find nothing anyway, so I give up. My Panda Express. Oh, it looks so good. Watching my girl Jazzy. Y'all love her. Like, shout out to her. Whenever I'm in New York, listen, I'm fighting her because I just, yes, vibes, energy, girl. I know you ain't asked me, but here go my little OOTD today. I thought it was cute. Something super casual and chill. Don't ask me where I get this shirt from because I honestly don't remember. Probably was from Forever 21 a long time ago. I got these jeans from my little Ross haul. My little belt from Target. Got my little gold accessories or whatever. And this hat, y'all. I love this hat. I got this from Target. And this swing is getting on my nerve. You're not getting on my nerves, Zara. Your swing is getting on my nerve. I am about to call and write. Oh, girl. What is the girl? Anyway, girl. Trying to escape. Yes. Where was you going? I just want to know. Where was you gonna go? That's just all. That's the question we all have for Miss Zara today. But this swing of yours, honey, it's just not it. I got one of those for moms, whatever. Where did I get this? From Target. First of all, I haven't had this swing for a whole year. It really started going out, like squeaking real bad and making that little sound at like, she was still like little, like maybe 4 months. Like this girl, I'm gonna definitely be writing a strong letter. Tell them, Zara, we're gonna be writing a strong letter to 4 moms and tell them about this squeaky, very noisy, supposed to be putting you to sleep, but it's keeping you up because it's just making all this loud noise, rocker, swing, whatever they call it. Yes, girl, tell them we're gonna write them a strong letter, and hopefully, you know, we can get a new one. Or, I mean, she kind of getting too big for it. She's 8 months. You 8 months. Yay. She still uses sometimes, but y'all seen her just trying to climb up out of it. She don't be, girl, she don't be fooling with no swing no more. But yeah, that's just my review for the 4 moms rocker. It's really a cool like invention. It's a cool idea to have like a swing that goes in that motion or whatever, but it's the squeak for me, honey. It ain't even a squeak, girl. It's a whole just bang for me. It's the bang for me. You ain't supposed to have no bang or no swing. On our way to get brother Russian.
Yeah, they know that you gotta be at a certain time.
Right. Yeah. Oh, they let him go early today. Oh, really? Okay. All right. Well, thank you for waiting. Yeah. Ow, what it do? What it do, boo?
I want to eat some more.
You see your brothers? He worried about some cake pops. Al, you didn't even say hi to me. Hi, Al. Look. Ooh. All right. You got to take your jacket off first. You got to wash your hands. Take your jacket off. He is too excited to make these cake pops. Here's a look into my kitchen stuff. I just got stuff out. I'm just like, girl, I ain't moving out of state or nothing. So I'm doing everything the easy way. Like, as far as my groceries and stuff, I don't think I'm taking any of that. I'm really just sorting because you're so silly, Zara. With this move, it's kind of easy because I'm only taking my stuff and, you know, for certain things, I'm just like splitting stuff or whatever, keeping some stuff behind, taking, you know, it's all a split, you feel me? So it's pretty easy. I just gotta organize like all of the kitchen utensils. I honestly don't think I'm gonna take any of the stuff. I'm gonna just leave it and get all new stuff. But as far as like the grocery stuff, I'm gonna just bag it, act like I done went grocery shopping, okay, and load it into my car. And I got boxes down here. I'm trying to move everything downstairs so it could be easy on moving day, because what is Zara doing? Y'all keep missing. There we go. What is her doing? What is that? Yeah, so on moving day, everything can be easy, and for the most part, you know, stuff can be right here. So